Hey guys, GD Grace here. Today we are going to be unboxing a Matchbox moving parts and rigs. Just so you know, sorry for the delay. I haven't got much time to the channel in a long time, so here's a video. Okay, so up first we have the Land Rover 1975. As you can unbox this. As you can see, the lid kind of moves up. And next we have the 2021 Mazda. As you all know, Mazdas are pretty new. So only the trunk moves on this one, which is cool. And stuff. And next we have the working rigs. We have the GMC 3500 a Tunier or truck, a Tuninor. What is that word? I don't know what this is. Well, let's get to unboxing it. Oh, looks like a piece of cardboard got stuck. There we have it, the truck that can carry another one. Look. Oh, it kind of doesn't fit. But anyway, oh wait, there's a sign you can move. And lastly, we have another GMC C8500 top upkick tree trimming truck. It kind of looks like this could fit a tiny little Lego like leg or something. It's a lot of companion stuff. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for the video. Sorry I can't make much content. But I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you all when I see you. Bye.